Have you ever wondered how Chettinad cotton sarees are made? These vibrant, intricately designed fabrics aren't just a fashion statement, they're a testament to the rich cultural tapestry of South India. Today, we delve into the fascinating journey of how these traditional treasures come to life. In the heart of Tamil Nadu lies the Chettinad region, the birthplace of the Chettinad cotton saree. The process begins with raw cotton. This cotton is sourced locally, ensuring that the final product is truly a reflection of the region's natural bounty. The cotton then undergoes a meticulous cleaning process. Each cotton ball is carefully inspected, and any seeds or impurities are removed. This stage is crucial in ensuring the smoothness and quality of the final fabric. Next, the cleaned cotton is spun into yarn. This process, known as spinning, transforms the cotton into thin, strong threads. This is done on a traditional spinning wheel, a device that has been used for centuries in the creation of textiles. Once the yarn is ready, it's time for the dyeing process. This is where the saree gets its vibrant colors. The yarn is soaked in natural dyes, extracted from various plants and minerals. Each color requires a different dyeing technique, and it's this intricate process that gives Chettinad cotton sarees their distinctive, vibrant hues. After the yarn is dyed, it's left to dry under the warm South Indian sun. This natural drying process ensures that the colors are set properly and won't fade over time. The dried, colored yarn is then woven into fabric. This is done on a traditional hand loom, a device that interlaces the threads to create a tight, durable fabric. The weaving process is an art in itself, requiring precision, patience, and a keen eye for detail. The weaving process also involves the creation of the saree's intricate designs. These are made using a technique called extra weft, where additional threads are interwoven into the fabric. This process is time-consuming and requires a lot of skill, but the result is a saree with stunning detailed patterns. Finally, the woven fabric is inspected for any flaws. If any are found, they're carefully corrected. Once the fabric has passed inspection, it's cut into the length of a saree and given a finishing touch with a neat hand-stitched border. And there you have it, a Chettinad cotton saree. From raw cotton to vibrant, intricately designed fabric, each step in the process is imbued with tradition, skill, and a deep respect for the craft. In summary, the manufacturing process of a Chettinad cotton saree involves sourcing local raw cotton, cleaning and spinning the cotton into yarn, dyeing the yarn with natural dyes, weaving the dyed yarn into fabric on a traditional hand loom, creating intricate designs with the extra weft technique, and finishing with a hand-stitched border. It's a painstaking process, but one that results in a unique, beautiful piece of wearable art. So the next time you see a Chettinad cotton saree, you'll know the story behind its creation, a story of tradition, craftsmanship, and the vibrant culture of South India, a story woven into every thread,